Nature has its own way, life isn't a game. The strong take what they must, the weak feel the pain. Animals in the wild, they run, they hide. No one wants to surrender, no one wants to die. Oh, how cruel the world can be, taking what it needs to be free. In the struggle and strife we see a reflection of our own humanity. Resistance in the air, but the power's clear. Stronger hand takes the lead, weaker hand in fear. No one wants to be bound. No one wants to lose land. Every life has a value, every life has a plan. Struggle and strife we see a reflection of our own humanity.